You guys want to see something cool? What do we got? Oh no. So, oh boy, that's not good. Head gasket or oil cooler, it's going to be one of them. Randy's is 3 weeks. So, I know what I'm doing Sunday. All right, guys, you saw the last video. Black coolant, obviously. Coolant's not supposed to be black. So, it's still Saturday night. Or the same night, I just changed clothes. We're just going to get the old work clothes. We're going to get the coolant drained, get the oil drained. I'm hoping it's just an oil cooler, but we'll get it all drained, pull the oil cooler off, and drain. There's online says that if there's more oil in the coolant than there's coolant in the oil, it's usually an oil cooler, but we'll get it pulled off, and hopefully the gasket's ripped or torn, or we can just see a malfunction, and then we're good to go. If not, it's probably head gasket. It's a matter of time. I wish it wasn't right now because Randy's is in 3 weeks, but I figure I'll just get on it right now, get after it, and we can see what's going on with it and go from there. So we're just gonna get right into the work today. Not a lot of talk because I'm not in the mood to talk because I want to figure out what's going on with it. So we'll get you guys in the time lapse, catch you up as we go on, and see what's wrong. Well, we got the oil cooler pulled off, and there's no tears or anything in the gaskets, so it's probably not oil cooler related because gaskets and everything are checking out. So we were hoping oil cooler, but oil cooler looks fine. Oil cooler, gasket, everything looks fine there, so I guess it's head pulling time. Alright, little update for you guys. Valve train's all pulled off. We got it all laid out over here. 1 through 2. I even got push rods where front and back. Probably don't need to be that anal about it, but got the studs here, rocker arms and everything all lined out so we know exactly where it goes. Now, fun part of loosening every ARP bolt on here and then go from there. I think I found the one with the hole. Careful. You getting this? Let's see, I'm filming. Just a stock gasket. Right there, see that? There's your head gasket. Looks like we had, looks like right here, look at that 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. What you got there? ARP lubes here for our studs. Had to order some, I didn't have any. Summit, coming in close, 2-day shipping. So, old head's off. Let's see, where's the gasket at? Oh. It looks like we had a failure back here on the back. There. So two or three. That one's big too. So 3 places. It looks like it had finally said no more. Too much PSI.
No mas.
So the new head's right here. We got it painted. Started swapping over like miscellaneous plugs and stuff from the old head. Got my studs swapped in. Hook here. We just need to flip it. We'll have to put it on the engine hoist and get it lifted up. We got the new gasket here. Fire rings. Mine, brand new rings in there. So it's gutted down here. We got a turbo sitting on a 2x4. Just hold it out of the way. Block's ready. We just got to wipe it down one more time, and then we will get to swapping some of the last remaining stuff over, and then get the new head thrown on tonight, and maybe like 1 or 2 studs started, and just kind of snug down so that way it's just chilling. And then tomorrow night I'll come in here and just start torquing down the 625s. So let's get her put on the block.
6.5 hours later.
Let's install some studs. What a workout.
Who needs a gym membership?
Wow. Till we hot retorque. Okay. Lots of time lapses in this video. We just wanted to get this knocked out so we can get this fired up. We're pretty sure we've got everything checked off. Should be ready to fire up now. We're just gonna kind of push. We're gonna leave the valve train exposed just so we can watch it and make sure everything looks good. Oil's in it. 2 oil filters on. No coolant. Get the oil filter up to 175 degrees and then pull it back in. Rip everything off, do a hot retorque, and then go from there. So we'll see if she fires up. back up and running. My dad squoze the radiator hose, so there is coolant
Oops.
everywhere.
Had to burp it.
We already did the first hot retorque earlier, and then we got like coolant system and stuff back in, coolant in it. So now tomorrow we'll probably start it and let it run again and do all that, and then we'll probably do another retorque tomorrow. Take it just cruise it around the block, get some heat cycles in it, torque those back down, and then we should be good to go. But up and running, no crazy problems yet. Just cooling everywhere thanks to the old man. So, firing head gasket is on. Randy's is May 7th, 2 weekends from now. And first gen should be there. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.